Ladies and gentlemen, as about to land, please ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened, the back upright, tray table stowed away, and your window shade is fully open. Thank you.
Yaman na lang siguro.
For the rooms. So much better than Manila.
Punta ako magpinsang ko dito.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just landed at Changi Airport. Welcome to Singapore. The local time is 20 minutes past 2 in the afternoon and the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. You may use your mobile phones and tablets. However, your seatbelt must remain fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Do pay attention to all announcements even while you use your device. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments and ensure you have taken all your belongings before leaving the aircraft. Passengers with connecting flights on Jetstar in Singapore and require assistance, please proceed to Transfer Desk Counter C located in the Departure Transit Lounge of Terminal 1. If you're holding on to your onward boarding pass, please check for your boarding gate details on the flight information displayed in the airport. And on behalf of Captain Kazumasa, Senior First Officer Sean, and the rest